Okay, 2020 GMC AT4, black on black. It's got the black GMC emblems in the front, red tow hooks. It is the AT4, which is basically all-terrain. It's got, what you see here, a leveling kit with, I don't know if you can see that, 37 1250 20s. Mid old ridge grapplers. It's got the 6.6 Duramax diesel, Allison automatic transmission, tint all the way around all the windows. There's the new bed step. Help you get up in the bed if you're short and fat like me. Another look at the 37s. And it's just a leveling kit on it. Black GMC emblem on the tailgate. Does have the multi-pro tailgate that unfolds just like that, where you have a step that comes down, and you can put a kicker audio speaker system in that right there. We'll swing around to this side. They're humongous in the back. Room like an F-250. Rear air, heated rear seats, plenty of room. GM floor liners, under seat storage. Has a little cubby hole here if you need to store something. Also has one on the other side. Push button start. Center stack there in the middle. Says AT4 on the floor mats. Says AT4 on the floor mats. Bose audio system. The new mirrors. Power expand, power fold. One more look at the 37 Nittos. Let's take a look at the driver's side. It's a beast of a truck. Black with khaki accents on the inside.